traditional holiday having arrived. The rescheduled weekend have worn me out and my headspace become depressed day by day. Anyway, it's all past. I'm now gonna enjoy this 7-month holiday. It's a cake. I ate many okras. This cake got this okra flavor. And this was today's breakfast. These little tomatoes. Mm. 我站在这说话，你别动。I've noticed these films, books, or documentaries nowadays are too grim, too dark, too realistic. I think that may be reflecting the global economy's downward trend. There are themes, their lack of the love-filled, courageous, truly beautiful, and this nature-centered works like Andrew Tarkovsky films, which was my favorite, and also the Jane Austen love story, W.G. Sebald prose. And I was thinking to myself, has the time come that I need to film my own movies? So I will start with this video or vlog and using this to strengthen my filming skills. Recently, I have been more focused on cultivating a mindfulness and pursuing the tranquility. When you face this breathtaking sceneries, I think your mind just going to become peaceful. Now can see the shadows and the light. This contrast was so beautiful. And it made me want to documentary film about this place.
6429
6429山东青岛的是吗？
青岛市李沧区。
怎么走散了呢？
就是
不哭不哭不哭。
我们往上走，他们往那边走。
那咋没跟着他们呢？喂，你好，那2个孩子跟你们走散了是吧？
啊，对对，找不着他们。
这儿呢这儿呢这儿呢。
啊，谢谢谢谢您，谢谢。
不哭啊。
好。A week ago, I went through The Eye by Nathan Williams. He was introduced fashion editors, celebrities, and designers' life experience, which was in brief 1 or 2 page summaries. So that was disjointed for me. When I finished the first third, which was about the designer's experience, I stopped. Because I think it's disjointed, that will distract my attention. This week, I have reading the W.G. about the Reign of Saturn, and the portrayal of the surroundings is just remarkable. I wonder that the directors draw inspiration from this literature rather than their peers. I also learned a story that the fisherman was put up their tent alongside their beach, which located in the Norway Soft in Suffolk, which was in England. The fisherman was put a tent like this in this place, and they are facing eastward, so they can see the dusk and dawn, just like what I'm seeing now. And they can leave the whole world behind them, and there was nothing before them but this magnificent scenery, or just the emptiness facing the sea. And I got my fingers got sticky by this ropes. So this was the end of this video. Have a nice national holiday.